Hey there! How's it going, guys? It's all good here and welcome back to my channel. A student sent me this image saying they need to learn how to draft this in Fusion and we're gonna help him out. Let's get started. Open Fusion 360. Start to create a sketch and select the YZ plane. I have divided this model into two symmetrical parts. We can see the overall length of the model is 80 mm. Hence, the symmetry lies at 40 mm from either end. So, select the line tool or hit L on your keyboard to draw a line. From origin, draw a length of 40-15 mm or 25 mm. Next, a line of 10 mm, 15 mm, 20 mm, 22 mm. Now, when you look at this model from this side, you will see this part as a rectangle. The total vertical height is 20 plus 20. Hence, draw a line of 40 mm. For the width, 10 mm. Now close the sketch. Once completed, this is how your sketch should look like. Finish the sketch. Let's extrude this part. Type in 40 mm. To give the curve, we will use Fillet tool. Select the two edges and type 20 mm here. You can see that the radius is 20 mm. To create the hole in the center, select the Hole tool from here. Select this face. The diameter of the hole is 10 mm. You can adjust the size from this box. If you zoom on the part and hover over this edge, you can see 25.8 for one faintly mentioned over here. This is the distance from the center of the hole to this edge. If I move this hole by dragging the center around, you can see there are 2 points on which I can snap this center. We should snap onto the upper point. Now, let's check the distance from this edge. It is 20 mm. From this edge? Also 20 mm, that means it is position correct. To mirror this part, select the tool from here. Ensure the object type is set to bodies. Then select this body as the object and mirror plane as this plane. Click OK. Let's take a moment to simply gaze upon our creation in all its glory. With awe and admiration, let's marvel at the lines, the curves, the sheer elegance of it all. There's something that catches our eye, or rather, something that's missing. Go to Appearance to add a splash of color. Perhaps it's a subtle hue that would accentuate the contours. With a stroke of the virtual brush, we'll add that missing color and breathe new life into our creation. And when we do, our model will shine even brighter, captivating all who gaze upon it with its newfound radiance. Now we shall convert this model into 2D drawing, that is, we will create a draft of it. Go to Drawing from Design. But first we must save our creation. I will put Video 6 Drawing. You can put whatever name you like. You get a dialog box for different options. We will choose the sheet size as A4. Now, Fusion gives us options to create the draft manually or automatically. For simple models as this one, we can choose to generate the drawing automatically. Now, you can see that the generation of drawing has started, and this may take a couple of minutes. For such single models with less complications, the drawing could be generated within seconds. From the Notification Center, if you click on View Job Status of the recent notification, you can check out the progress level for it. And it is complete as we speak. Let's open the drawing to see how it looks. Let's close this window. In this window you can check out various dimensioning styles to choose from. As a designer, it is your responsibility to present your designs in such a way that they are easy to understand. Let's quickly review these dimensioning styles so that you can observe the differences. Once you've chosen your preferred style, feel free to adjust the positions of the views and dimensions as needed. You can simply select and drag the view to the desired location. It's important to note that certain views, like the side view, will only move horizontally relative to the front view, while the top view will only move vertically relative to the front view. Therefore, prioritizing the movement of the front view is essential. Here, I am simply adding the 3D model from base view. I have selected the orientation as home. I will scale it as 1:1. And select the style as shaded. I will position it at the corner. And there you have it. The draft is now complete. This automated drafting feature is very handy and quick to save us some time and energy. The interactive panel is also a very helpful feature. Now let me show you another trick. If your draft looks messy, go to the Dimensions tab where you can find various tools. From here we will select the Tidy Up tool, which will automatically give a cleaner drawing. See? Go to Export and select Export PDF. From here you can choose the name that you want to give to your PDF. Here you can see the location of the folder where the drawing will be saved. Click OK. Let me show you the folder where the PDF is exported. Here you can see the file. Open this to view your drawing. If you're itching to dive deeper into the world of CAD, whether it's exploring the wonders of automatic drawing or mastering the art of manual drafting, drop a comment below. Let us know your interests, and we'll be more than happy to provide you with examples and tutorials to help you level up your Fusion 360 skills. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. We've got plenty more Fusion-related videos and tutorials in store, and we'd love to have you along for the journey. Together, we'll unlock the full potential of Fusion 360 and take our design game to new heights.